Hello and welcome to Storytone English, where every story helps you learn English naturally, confidently, and with joy. Here we don't just study English, we speak it, we listen to it, and we live it. If you want to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in speaking English, this is your place to grow. Today's episode is Daily English Speaking Practice Day 01. The first step of your journey toward becoming a confident English speaker. So relax, listen carefully, and let this story become part of your daily English routine. The story: A New Beginning. It was a quiet Monday morning. The sun was shining through the window of a small room where Rina, a young student, sat staring at her notebook. On the cover, she had written in bold letters, "My English Practice Journal." Rina had been learning English for years, but she always hesitated to speak. She could write essays, understand songs, and read short stories. But when she tried to talk, her mind went blank. She wanted to speak fluently, to express herself freely, but something always stopped her: fear. That morning, she decided to start fresh. She whispered to herself, "This is my day 1. Today I begin my real English journey." She stood in front of her mirror and began to speak softly. "Good morning, Rina. How are you today?" Her voice trembled. Then she tried again. "Good morning. I'm happy today. I'm learning English." This time, her voice was a little stronger. She smiled at her reflection. Rina realized speaking English was not about being perfect. It was about being brave enough to begin. After breakfast, she played an English podcast on her phone. The host was speaking slowly and clearly. Rina repeated each sentence after her. "I wake up early in the morning. I drink a glass of water. I go for a short walk." Rina spoke along, matching the rhythm and tone. It felt like a friendly conversation, not a lesson. Later that day, when she went outside, she tried to think in English. "The sky is blue. The children are playing. I'm walking to the market." She noticed that when she described her surroundings in English, she felt more confident. She wasn't just studying English, she was living it. In the evening, she joined a small online English group. The host asked everyone to introduce themselves. Rina's heart started beating fast. She had never spoken English in front of others before. When her turn came, she took a deep breath and said, "Hello everyone, my name is Rina. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm learning English to improve my confidence." The host smiled and said, "Welcome, Rina, that was perfect." Everyone clapped, and she felt proud. That one short sentence gave her the courage to keep going. After the class, she wrote in her journal, "Today I spoke English in front of others for the first time. I was nervous, but I did it." That sentence became her motivation. Her daily plan. That night, before going to bed, Rina created a simple routine. Morning, speak for 10 minutes in front of the mirror. Afternoon, listen to an English story or podcast. Evening, join an online group or practice conversation with a friend. Night, write a short paragraph in her English journal. She didn't make her plan complicated. She kept it easy, something she could do every single day. She promised herself, "No matter what happens, I will practice English daily." Days went by, and her confidence began to grow. She made small improvements every day. Her pronunciation got clearer, her vocabulary became richer, and she stopped translating from her native language. Sometimes she made mistakes, but she didn't stop. She would smile and say, "It's okay, I'm learning." Her parents noticed her confidence, and her teacher praised her for her improvement. Rina started helping her classmates too. She shared her simple daily routine with them and said, "You don't need expensive courses. You just need daily practice." A new habit, a new life. After 30 days, Rina looked at her old journal again. It was full of notes, words, and memories. On the first page, she had written, "My English Practice Journal." On the last page, she wrote, "I can speak English confidently now. I believe in myself." She smiled and whispered, "This is only the beginning." Rina's story reminds us that English fluency doesn't come from fear or perfection. It comes from daily effort, self-belief, and practice. If she can do it, you can too. Thank you for listening to Storytone English. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English fluency naturally, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This was day 1 of your daily English speaking practice series. Each day, you'll get a new story to help you listen, learn, and speak better English. Remember, speak a little every day. Think in English, believe in yourself. Your fluency journey starts with consistency, one day at a time. This is Storytone English, where we say, don't study English, live it. See you tomorrow for day 2. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep growing.